Kiviet. I'm a nature and wildlife photographer, and today I'm in a photo hide in the former Isle of Marken in the Netherlands. This is a hide especially for meadow birds. And as you can see, I'm lying on the ground. We have a very low angle here. I have to use my screen to be able to see what I'm looking for, because if I wanna look through the camera, it's bloody difficult, and then my neck hurts too much. And I'm here with my good friend Jurgen. We'll talk to him later. As you can see, we're in the middle of a meadow. Birds flying around the hide, lapwings, godwits. It's really spectacular. The only thing is, because nature photographers are a bit like farmers, it's never perfect. The only thing is that the light is not really good. It's very grey, we've got a grey sky, so we're enjoying ourselves, but could be a little bit better. Let me just show you around in this hide a little bit. It's actually an old, how would you call it? We call it a pipowagen.
Schaftgate.
Schaftgate in perfect English. But
A worker's cabin.
but it's it's got all the conveniences you want. For example, you've got a sort of kitchen over there. How about that? Work table, workspace with laptop, external hard disk. We've got windows on all sides, and of course we've got Jurgen Sloots. Hey mate, how are you doing?
Yeah, fine. It's a good afternoon with a lot of birds.
Yeah, we got a lot of birds, but we don't have the right light yet, so
No.
we're waiting for that. On the floor, because we, like I said already, have a very low angle. On the floor are the cameras. What have you got? What's your gear, Jurgen?
I have a Sony A7R3 with a Sony 150 to 600 mil.
Alright. And on this side we got a Nikon. This is the Nikon Z6. You can see some birds that we shot already a while ago. Nikon Z6 with a 60 to 600 mil Sigma lens. Sports version. Really happy with that. And you can hear all the birds. What's that, Jurgen?
It's a coot.
It's a coot.
A coot.
Alright.
In a low angle view. Beautiful.
That's good. That's one of the great things of this hide.
Yeah.
The view is really low angle.
A nice blurry background.
Yeah, it's just a little bit grey.
Yeah. And a nice reflection in the water.
The water is good. Let me have a look at your coot. Not bad at all. Like I said, the light conditions are not really good, but instead of complaining about it, you can also just be happy with what you've got. And for example, there's a lapwing sitting just in front of us. It's a bit hard to see on this wide screen. Well, you could see it flap away probably, but because of the low angle, it's really interesting to be taking shots of meadow birds here. You can look them straight in the eye, and that's a really interesting point of view actually. Well, at least in the back of the hide You can see that the light is changing. We're getting some sunshine, probably. At least it's clearing up. And the good thing is, it's not a height that we're just going to be staying in for the day, but we're going to be sleeping here as well. We got some mattresses. We're going to put them on the floor, and then in the morning we'll be the first persons to be in this meadow, in the middle of all the birds. We hope. That'll be Jurgen.
Aye.
Aye.
Yeah.
Well, at least the weather forecast is quite good. As you can see, there's two suns in the middle of the screen. Jurgen just looked it up on his phone, and it should be good tomorrow morning. So I'm really looking forward to that. It's getting darker and darker, and more difficult to see things. But we've got two godwits very close to the height now, and even though the light conditions are poor, we still have quite a lucky opportunity to take photos and video of it. Don't know if you can see this. Try to show you. Well, that doesn't work apparently. Well, there at least you can see it. It's not sharp on the GoPro, but we're pretty happy with it. You, Jurgen, are you happy?
I'm happy with the godwit, yes.
He's happy with the godwit. Yes, we were optimistic about tomorrow, and no, it looks very good actually. There's a sun at the end of the horizon, and it looks promising for tomorrow. Tonight's gonna be cold probably, but well, we're gonna be sleeping inside this little hut. It's getting dark already. You can see Jurgen. Yes, there he is. He's still alive and kicking. And I think we finished taking photos and video. It's getting too dark now. But like I said, tomorrow should be good. It's looking promising. We're very happy with it. And now we're going to have something to eat and maybe a little drink. Well, good morning. This is the sound we woke up to, and this is the light we woke up to. Where yesterday we were a bit disappointed about the grey light. Today we're very happy because the sun's shining. You can see it on the face of Jurgen while he is still filming, and we woke up to the sound of lots of geese, brand geese, branta branta, and they're all around us, not very close, but it's a lovely morning, and we're very optimistic about our photo and film opportunities.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jurgen.
Hi, Henk-Jan.
we're quite awake now at the moment, and you know, one of the good things about this hike is also that there is the possibility to make real coffee. That is a very important part of breakfast, at least for me. And yes, we are going to have rice, nasi goreng as we call it, as the Indonesians call it actually. But that's one of my favorite breakfasts, and for Jurgen it's the first time, but
Yeah,
he's gonna enjoy it, I'm sure.
it will be good. Yes.
Look at this. Man, I'm already hungry. Looking perfect. It's gonna be a nice, what we call in good Belarusian language, zapiekanka. Gonna be a great experience.
Yeah, can't wait.
Oh, and of course we have our coffee. Well, here's another shot from Jurgen, laying on the floor, trying to take photos or video, I think, from Lapland, one of the most beautiful birds on earth, as we all know. Well, there we are again, last time from the photo hide in Marken. We had an amazing morning, the light was really beautiful, the sun came up around 6:30, you saw redshank, lapwing, oyster catchers, wagtail, all quite close to the height. The godwits stayed away quite far, however, that was a pity, but thousands of geese, brent geese, so we really enjoyed ourselves, and we'll definitely be coming back to this lovely place. Well, thanks for watching again, and hope to see you in one of the next videos that we will be showing on the Nature Photo portal. Take care.